Good girl. Ah, don't put it in your mouth. No, not in your mouth. Okay, let's let Bee put it in her mouth. Get the tennis ball, Bee. Get the tennis ball. Good girl. Okay. Now Juliet, go for the tennis ball. Unfortunately, we only have one tennis ball right now. And Juliet and Bee have been going back and forth all afternoon. The only way Bee knows how to protect the ball is by licking Juliet. But Juliet is very determined. There she goes. The army crawl. Watch out for those little fingers, Bee. No, not in the mouth. Only Bee gets to put it in her mouth.